Talk about the market technicals. Jay, morning and thanks for joining in. Quiet today. There is a lot of activity in the mid-cap index. What are your thoughts on the markets and any trade?
Hi, very good morning to you, Rima. I would say yes. Overall market has been trading within this range of 15,450 to 15,950. That's broadly a range of 500 points, and it's been almost 2 months now that we have seen markets trading within this band, and it continues to do so. The one thing which is quite positive is that day before yesterday, that is on Wednesday. A day before the expiry, we did see that market recovered quite well from the lower end of the range, that is around 15,500, and now is trading at around 15,800 levels. So the recovery has been strong from the lower end. This increases the probability of Nifty now inching towards the upper end of the range, that is 15,950 in the short term. Hence, any dip should be utilized in the Nifty as a buying opportunity with a clear stop loss below the lower end of the range for a target of 15,950. Interestingly, Nifty had also formed a nice hammer candlestick pattern on the daily charts, which is a very good bullish reversal pattern. Looking at this pattern in the market, I have two buy recommendations. The first buy recommendation is on JSW Steel. The Nifty Metal Index is trading at its 13 years high, and the momentum out there is absolutely positive. I think it can be one of the sector of August series. So JSW Steel, one can buy for a target of 775 to 785. One can place a stop loss at 735. The second buy recommendation that I have is from a non-FNO stock, non-FNO segment rather, I would say. It's a buy on Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited, HSCL. The stock has taken a good support at its 200 demo on the daily charts. The momentum is absolutely in the favor of the bulls. The volumes have been increasing in a couple of months now, and the stock had formed a nice golden crossover on the daily charts, which is quite positive for the long term as well. So short to long term setup for HSCL is also quite positive. One can buy this for a target of 62.50 and 70. These are the two short term targets. One can place the stop loss at 47.50.
Thanks very much. I appreciate you joining in. Those are two trades, Himadri and JSW Steel, both long calls coming in there. The market is doing okay. I mean, it's subdued at the index level, but market breadth is easily 2:1 in favor of advances. And the number of stocks which are up on very large volumes, I mean, it's a long list to say the least, which we will get to in a bit from now. But let's focus on the FMCG space. And this is information.